Hi everyone. If you need to remove the battery from your SimpliSafe Base Station, here in this video you will get the safe and the simple way of doing it. So first of all, you need to start by disconnecting the power adapter from the base station. The device will stay on temporarily because the backup battery. Afterwards, you just have to flip the base station upside down. You are going to see the battery compartment cover at the bottom. So you need to either slide or lift the cover panel carefully. Some of the models may require a slight push in order to unlock it. Now inside it, you need to locate the battery connector. So gently pull the connector out, hold the plug, not the wires, in order to avoid the damages. After that, you are going to see all of the batteries compartments inside it. So you just have to simply replace the batteries, insert the new ones the same way that you have seen before, then close the cover and reconnect the power when it is needed. So that's how you can simply remove the batteries from the SimpliSafe Base Station. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.